Hello, welcome to our channel. So in the previous video, we talked about the widely used search databases for reviews. This video will be more focused on different kinds of tools and softwares that are available for organizing your reviews. So I'll be mainly discussing about five such, tools which I have personally used. So the very first one is Ryan QCRI. So it is a freely available web-based tool for organizing your reviews, especially your systematic reviews. So it has a feature of importing your articles, exporting your articles. You can develop your protocol. You can do duplicate removal. You can do title and abstract screening there. One of the major advantages is that it is freely available. It is very user friendly, and it has like clear interfaces. If you ever use Ryan, there will be like clear panels which are well defined for a particular task, for screening, for segregating your articles and all that. Then there is also a feature where you can highlight the keywords, and it automatically generates some keywords which are highlighted in red for excluded articles and green for included articles. You can also tag those articles whichever you have included. You can add notes to them, you can add label to them, so that a second line of screening, it facilitates second line of screening. Now, with all these advantages, Ryan does have its disadvantages as well. It doesn't have any feature of full text screening, so you can only do title abstract screening there. There is no feature of full text screening. There is no provision of critically appraising the articles. Then you cannot perform meta analysis. So if you are someone who does many systematic reviews, so some reviews are just purely systematic reviews, and some reviews are along with systematic reviews there is meta analysis also. So Ryan doesn't provide any feature to carry out meta analysis. Ryan has a small minor disadvantage that it because it's a web based tool, it might cause some delays due to glitches. Second one is covidence. Covidence is basically a component of Cochrane toolkit. So what it does is it also helps you organize your reviews. It helps in protocol development, helps in screening of the articles, and unlike Ryan, it has a feature of screening full text articles as well. You can upload your references there. It will assist you with duplicate removal as well. So articles which are yet to be screened, where decision has not been made to include it or exclude it, they automatically move up in the list, so that you can easily navigate through them. Now, Covidence, what it doesn't provide is protocol development, so you cannot begin your review process just relying on this tool. Covidence does not have a feature of performing meta analysis. And also, unlike Ryan, it requires subscription, it's not free. Some of the major disadvantages of Covidence is that there are minor potential glitches or bugs in the software, and users cannot, like, once they have made their decision to exclude or include any article, they cannot change it. So Ryan has this feature that if you have excluded an article, and then after some time you feel that no, it has to be included in your review, then Ryan allows you to change your decision. But Covidence does not do that. There is sometimes it is very slow to respond, and also there is like no separate library which tells you that how many articles have been included, how many have been excluded, so that number is not there. Now the third one is Distiller SR. Now Distiller SR, unlike Ryan and Covidence, it has a feature of protocol development, so you can start your review process from this particular software and like continue till the end. It has all the features like screening of the articles, full text, and uh, duplicate removal and import export options. It also has its like integrated PubMed library. So uh, if you're using only PubMed for your reviews, you can straight away go to Distiller SR and make your search there, and you can extract articles from PubMed itself. You don't you need not go separately to PubMed database, search it, and then import it to Distiller SR. Distiller SR has already like PubMed embedded in it, so if you search it there, automatically get your articles from PubMed database. Now, Distiller SR has two unique features. It has some standard data extraction forms. So, your data extraction for your reviews is like in a standard format. So, whatever information you need, they have a standard format, and you can, extract your data in that form only. So Distiller SR has an add-on feature called Lit Connect. So sometimes what happen is that uh, you are carrying out a systematic review, like you start this month, December 2022, and you have a period for 6 months. So December 2022, you are extracting the data. You did your data extraction, and now you are in the process. You're in the later stages of your reviews. So there could be some new published literature which can come as and when you're doing your process. So within those 6 months, if any new publication related to your review comes, so what this lit connect feature does is it automatically refreshes your collection with that new publication, and then you can make your decision whether you want to include it or exclude it. Now, Distill SR requires a subscription. It is not free, and you cannot perform meta-analysis on Distill SR. Now, the fourth one is RevMan, which is short for Review Manager, and it is more of a technical software. It is freely the installation is free. You would require to like register into Cochrane, and also it is like available in both forms, web based, and it can be downloaded as a software. So now, RevMan allows you to develop your protocol from the start, and then once you develop your protocol there, you can register your protocol. You can have your registration number for that particular review. You can do like full text screening is there, then duplicate removal is there. Every article that you have included, it will create it will create comparison tables for it. It will create graphs for it. You can study the uh, every article, you can study the data characteristics it has. So for using Revmin, since it's a little technical, you would require a tutorial. So Cochrane provides you with tutorial material. Revman, it has a full Revman guide. You can go through that. You can register in Cochrane and access the Revman tutorial. Also, if one is doing a simple review or just a systematic review, you may not consider Revman, but if you are going for meta analysis as well, then I think Revman is the best option for you out there. So the last one is Research Rabbit. Research Rabbit also allows you to import and export articles. Then you can make your decision to whether to include that article or exclude that article. Then you can manually add also in Research Rabbit. You can manually add your article. You just have to fill up some information so that that article could be fine, like from Research Rabbit could find that article, and it can add to your collection. Now, Research Rabbit has a very unique feature. It provides you with network visualization maps. So these network visualization maps allows you to see same work, your relevant work, which has been done like by some other authors, and you can add those articles if you feel that they are relevant to you. It also shows you a co-citation network. So if any paper is like left from your side, from your collection, you can always add it to your collection. Research Rabbit also allows you to highlight keywords. You can add notes to the articles, and you can, tag them according to your review process. So it is a very basic tool. It doesn't have a feature for protocol development. So if you're someone who is just doing narrative reviews or simple literature reviews, this is a go-to-go tool for you. But if you're someone who is doing a very detailed review, a systematic review, a scoping review, and you are into meta-analysis, then Research Rabbit would not be the best choice. And one more disadvantage that I feel Research Rabbit has is like sometimes if you are manually adding a paper, it might not extract complete information due to data extraction errors. Now all these five tools have the feature to collaborate. So if the review process requires you to collaborate with other people, other team players, all these five tools has a feature so that you can collaborate with one another. I hope this information was useful and informative. Thank you.